Ms. Zulekha Hanif is a Pakistani-born Singaporean, fondly known as Zulu, is a lifelong learner and a virtuous leader. She believes that by teaching, we learn, and by learning, we teach. Ms. Zulu's story is very inspiring to all. When she was 13 years old, she had a bad haircut service from an inexperienced person. That pain and feeling of looking awful in front of mirror every day brought her to the point that she should learn a skill set completely and deliver the best service to make everyone happy. That's how her learning quest started. Ms. Zulu is a mother of 3 adorable and beautiful children. No one can tell with her gorgeous and majestic looks. Although she was working in the computer hardware field, but she kept learning and growing. She inherited simplicity and optimism from her parents. They trusted in her abilities and permit her to study abroad. She has proudly achieved over 58 academic certificates not only from Pakistan but also Singapore, USA, Europe and Asia. These accolades include various hair, beauty, body and mindfulness. She also have attended largest expo events held in Japan and North America. Ms. Zulu's very first service review received in Singapore was great and very long. Till date she getting good feedback, word of mouth. And the brand is highly recommended on almost all social media platforms. Zulu humbly called them love letters. In 2005 she did her first hairstyling diploma from Pivot Point, Singapore. She has specialized hair cutting skills certification from the world-ranked #1 master hair cutter, Lara Rainier from New York. And her hair replacement and scalp micropigmentation course was done in Los Angeles. She started her career as a freelancer and became the founder and the owner of Zulu Style Hair and Beauty Salon, which is run by her beloved family members and amazing team. Is now fully transformed into complete hair and wellness center. She has been on various TV channels and done makeup and styling for local stars and celebrities from Bollywood, who have liked her work and praised highly. She is a TikTok star and creates interesting and informative content and online sessions on various social media platforms. Queen of all trade did not stop here, and had done iTech diploma in body therapy with distinction. It was learned to introduce a Chinese Western technology-based treatment. This miraculous treatment is for detoxification, curing illnesses, pain-related issues and weight management. That's how her dream to be a doctor came true. She is a certified industrial trainer and coach from ITE and NLP practitioner. What all she gathered around wisdom and knowledge from these kinds of studies that mind and body are one. She researched well and created a non-profit platform named Zulu Logi Self-Enrichment Limited. We all live in 3 different kind of states of mind, and this effortless practice is to keep ourselves intentionally awakened throughout the day. It is for self-care, work-life balance, personal life matters and peace of mind. Zulu herself participates daily in this practice. Learners from all walks of life are benefiting from this unique way of empowering themselves and making their life meaningful. She did her nutritional wellness certification from Singapore Management University. It was about diet and diseases, active aging, weight management, and contemporary food. It was cherry on top of the cake. And it matched very well with her latest exploration of amazing German technology, hair DNA test report, which Zulu believes is a life changer. There is no failure, only feedback. Zulu has delivered over 1,000 services by herself. During communication with clients, she observed that clients' hair health related concerns and symptoms are severe, out of control, and they are so confused to deal with it, and it was not affordable as well. That's how the amazing revolutionary concept of Zulution invented. Zulution concept consists of 2 types of modes: Zulution Box and the Zulution Journey program. Zulution Box is made in Singapore with its combinations of 10 treatments items with proven results and used for clients in the last 12 years. All essential products are for hair, scalp, and face. It's a complete daily DIY hair care treatment set. Zulution Journey is a complete hair and wellness revival program. It has a Zulution Box supply, hair DNA test, and nutritional optimization reports to plan your food avoidance and consumption on daily basis, and clinical treatment services for hair and scalp care. The outcome is to achieve from this concept is to get good quality hair, being healthy, and look youthful all the time. Both comes with complete self-assessment and customization according to your hair type and current scalp condition. Zulution concept is a lifesaver for all. It is valuable, reliable, and sustainable. Zulu Care is a one-stop platform to connect all of us under one roof. Because Zulu's daily goal is to make you happy every day. To find out more, visit our website www.zulucare.com.sg.